2, 1. Immediately, both teams picking up a ton of green cubes. The Screaming Monkeys getting ready to score some. As they feed cubes through their left, so they can make it into the goal. They get 1, 2. Meanwhile, the Tiger Sharks knocking off those Reds on the post with 5 points each. The Screaming Monkeys getting that last one. 35 seconds to now switch drivers. Tiger Shark with 3 purples. They get ready to get those cubes into the goal. As they lift up, they get 1, 2 into the robot. Tiger Sharks moving around the field, going to try to get lined up to score some more greens into that goal. They lift up and get a ton of greens into that goal. With 10 seconds left, we'll see if any one of these teams can get partial or full card. With 5 seconds left, Tiger Sharks moving around the field. Can they get it? Qualification match number 84. We have 58-13W Shark.